Snow so deep, even the states themselves can't do it alone. That massive bomb cyclone blizzard dumping more than 2 feet in a number of states in the Northeast of just 2 days ago.
In Rhode Island, that snow is so deep that other states are helping out to get the roads cleared. Mike Cerullo reports.
Crews crossing state lines from Vermont all the way to Rhode Island.
We're looking forward to any help we can get.
The blizzard of 2026 dumped more than 3 feet of snow onto parts of the Ocean State. Main roads are drivable, but some side streets desperately need work.
It's still hard maneuvering around the city. Obviously, there's a lot of piles of snow.
God save Rhode Island, please.
Neighbors are at the mercy of Mother Nature and the speed of snow removal teams working round the clock to dig us all out.
I hope they can get down our road.
The reinforcements from Vermont, 15 men with heavy machinery, are the first of several out-of-state teams to arrive.
The blizzard of 78, crews from Vermont came down here. Since then, do you think this is the first time?
Since 78, yes. This is the first time. I guess there's almost 40 inches of snow in some places, and we're ready to tackle it.
Ocean State leaders say they're expecting more resources from Pennsylvania on Thursday, and some from Maine, too.
How long do we expect these crews to stay in Rhode Island for?
They've just said that they'll be here while we need them. I'm expecting that several days.
Even with the extra help, the overwhelming amount of snow is proving a headache for just about everyone. Residents are hopeful bringing in backup is a sign that we're getting closer to a sense of normalcy.